So are you okay after all that personalization, customization, automatization, scalability, rentability, and sustainability? What do you think? You think you can do it? Well, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Sir Jonathan has really good ideas and is giving us exceptional advices, but how are we going to get to that kind of professionalism? How are we going to get so professional? Is it going to cost a lot? Is it going to be hard? What's going to happen? Let me tell you, after I give you the secret of how to get all of this system working for your micro enterprise or macro enterprise, let me tell you one thing right now. The only problem that you maybe are going to have, no, not a problem, but a challenge that you for sure you're going to find is that once you have the whole thing set up, the whole thing, the whole system working 100% perfectly, just like a machine, like a Swiss watch. The only challenge you're going to find is to adapt your people, your teamwork, to do what the machine tells them to do. That's the only thing that I believe is going to be a problem, because remember that machines work like this and they just learn like this, but with humans it takes a time. So what's the answer for having all of this perfection system in your business? Amazon Web Service. Now, it's not the only one. There's other ones, like for example, Google and Microsoft Azure, but the one that owns at this very moment, at this very time, the market, 48% of the global market, enterprises like Netflix, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, and BBC work with these guys. Tells me that maybe right now they own the 50% of the global market, whilst Google and Microsoft own not more than the 15%. So just to give you an idea. Now, what's the difference between Amazon and Google and Microsoft? Amazon is in contact with customers all the time, but customers that want to buy products. I mean, who hasn't received a box of Amazon Prime or asking for a book? Who hasn't bought something in Amazon on the 2021? Come on, I mean, everybody, So these guys were developing ideas on how to make the customer happier, what they want, what they buy, what they want to buy, and all this stuff. They already know the word. You thought it was Facebook? No way. Facebook works with them. I mean, Amazon Web Service gives the service to Facebook for Facebook to work like Amazon works. So just to give you an idea. Now, how this works? Well, simply, they already had the whole system set up. They are waiting for you to log into the page. Once you get into the page, you're going to load up. For example, if you got a website, this website is going to be now part of the system. The system, the big data, is going to mix with the data that you produce here. For example, if I'm a customer, I get to your website and I ask for cell phones. Okay, I want cell phones, but I want this particular type, series of cell phone, brand, and so forth. Look for it, and then it's going to be 50,000 people that looks for the same phone. What Amazon is going to do is like, okay, you got 50,000 people looking for this phone. Okay, look, I got 50,000 million looking for the same phone, but guess what? In China, in Japan, and in the States, this phone, they sell the phone, but they sell it with this distinctive thing. Maybe the cover is transparent. Maybe the cover has some design of whatever, I don't know, the Michael Jackson, I don't know. And then perhaps your people's gonna like that because it's very popular. Why don't you invest in buying the same phone but with this cover? And they say, okay, cool. Then you have these people don't look for this product. Oh, you know what? A lot of people here don't look for that product. Instead of that product, they buy this other product. So this idea that the machine from Amazon Web Service is going to give, it's going to personalize, it's going to customize, it's going to create automatization, and for sure scalability, rentability, and sustainability, because they already know what the world wants. They're just waiting for you to have a bite of it. And how much is it going to cost? It's a service per hour. If you use that for, 5 hours a day, they charge you 5 hours a day. But let me tell you one thing. The more people get into this idea of Amazon Web Service, the less the price gets. The more people that Amazon gets for their service, they just lower the prices, and they just give you all of them servers, and you have endless services there. I mean, they create a service by the minute because they adapt. It's this deep learning. They learn how people is acting, so they create a product to satisfy that certain kind of customer. So with Amazon Web Service, your business is going to, I mean, customization, personalization, and automatization like this. And just right after that, it's all about where you invest. So think about that. See you in the next video.